I'm so excited to be doing a fashion video for you guys. Today's video is going to be centered around minimalism and utilizing everything that you already have in your wardrobe. I feel like these type of videos are really important, especially during today's time where everything is so uncertain. A lot of us have lost our jobs, like we don't know when we're going to be able to go outside again. And I get it, we've been doing a lot of online shopping, but hey sis, it's okay to kind of just take a step back and use what you already have in your wardrobe and think of cool different ways to just mix and mingle what you already have to come up with cute ideas. So that brings me to the whole purpose of this video. We're going to be creating a 10 by 10 wardrobe capsule where you essentially take 10 items that you already have in your closet and you create 10 different outfits or looks from those 10 items. Now, I get it. A lot of you are probably thinking like, that can't happen. I can't do that. I too thought that, but you know what? I gave it a shot. A good rule of thumb when you're choosing your 10 items is you want to choose 4 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 dress or skirt. For me, I would kind of reserve that 1 piece for like your statement wow piece, 1 outerwear or something that you can wear, an outer layer piece, and then 2 pair of shoes. So let's go through the pieces that I chose. The first piece I chose is an Abercrombie and Fitch white knit bodysuit. Now this bodysuit is thicker material, so you do not have to wear a bra or anything underneath it, but it's not too thick to where it will prevent you from wearing it in the summer. You really could wear this all year round. I love the fact that it's very universal, and then it has like a thong part so that you don't have to worry about any panty lines or anything showing. Another piece that I chose is a black cami, something free flowing and flowy, not a tight tank top, but like a cami, something that you essentially can take from day to night. Then I chose a plain white tee. It could be V-neck or it could be crew neck. Something, again, free-flowing, a little looser, nothing too tight because we want to elevate that look. And then I chose a gray crew neck tee. I particularly love this one. It says Phenomenal Woman. I like it because this shirt makes a statement on its own, but it fits really, really well. I've worn this several times, washed it several times, and it still looks like the day that I bought it. I particularly like heather gray when I'm choosing a gray tee. That, this heather kind of fabric, it just helps to give it like that, that vintage look, but it also like wears well over time. It's not gonna look like it's falling apart. And then this is the skirt that I chose. This actually is a vintage piece and it's Diane Von Furstenberg. It doesn't have to be name brand, but just something that is going to give you a little print, a little pop and wow to your capsule wardrobe. It's free flowing, very, very comfortable, light fabric. It's not lined or anything like that. So it's light. It's something great to wear in the spring or the summer. And it has a little split in the back, nothing high. But I love it because it comes up to about here. And again, it just snatches you. Super cute. But you could choose a dress. You could choose a statement shirt. I would try to stick to a bottom because you can just mix it up a little more, but it's up to you. Then I chose some black skinny jeans. These are from Topshop. They're simple black, no rips or anything on them. Now the cuff is a little distressed, which I don't mind. I think that one, you could barely see it, but I like the fact that it's a skinny cuff, and I love Topshop jeans, period. This is the Jamie jean. And by the way, I'm gonna link everything below. If some of these items, I've had in my wardrobe for a while, so if they're not still on the website, then I will definitely link an alternative for you ladies. And then these jeans are distressed, super casual look. These are Free People. They're high-waisted and they're a mom jean. The hem is slightly distressed, but it's got quite a bit of rips in it, honestly more than what I would usually go for, but they look really great on and they fit really well and they're super comfortable. And then my outerwear piece, I just chose this leather moto jacket that I got from Barney's. When you're choosing your leather jackets, if you're shopping for one in the future, make sure that it fits you well, but also make sure that it's roomy enough so when you layer it on top of something, you're not like, ugh, you know, it doesn't really fit. Like, you want to be able to move freely. All of your clothes should be comfortable, be fun, and be versatile, okay? Remember that. And affordable. With some pieces like this, you can definitely splurge on. And then for my shoes, I chose a simple suede tan mule from Zara with this cute top knot. These shoes are so comfortable, and I've even gotten caught in the rain in them, and honestly, like, the suede has not messed up at all. But these, I think they're just super cute with any outfit. And then the last pair of shoes, just a black Van sneaker. Again, this is just a simple low top sneaker. It doesn't have to be Van, but this is just something that you could easily wear with several different pieces. This is meant to be super fun. It's meant to challenge you. So hopefully when you come out of this, you're gonna find that you're fashionable. You found different ways to be creative with what you already have. And another great way to utilize this technique is when you're traveling, when the world opens back up and we all are gonna be flying and jet setting, because I know I cannot wait to. This is a great way to pack and stay within your carry-on. 10 pieces, 10 days, 10 outfits. Like, you can't beat that. So stick around. I'm gonna try these outfits on, and you guys tell me what you think below in the comments. guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like button as well as comment below and let me know what you think. Also, let me know what type of videos you guys like to see. If you like fashion related videos mixed with the little lifestyle blogs, then go ahead and subscribe, girl. I got plenty of videos coming. I upload every week, so if you guys are interested, please comment, hit that like button, hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload, and stick around. See you guys next week.